Yeah, probably. Man, I've been working at it like an addict, my friends know. Really bad it, I've been, yeah. Go ahead, ask if you wanna know. Don't need a chit-chat when I'm on the road. Take it or leave it, my album valid till 10. Baby, hit my line if you wanna get it in. You been fine, been bad. Hit my line, you a snare. Like it when you bite back. Oh, take it slow or go fast. I'm down for that. Yeah.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
You catch me looking 7 digits. Catch me drinking Eddie advice. Let him cook. Let him cook. You catch me looking 7 digits tonight.
What is up, guys? It is 3 o'clock. G. This is it. What's up, y'all? It's your boy. We're officially in Tokyo. Long ass flight, long ass travel. We're finally here. We're doing a convenience store run. It's currently 11 p.m. here. And first things first, right off the bat, you see a 7-Eleven right there. But yeah, so doing a 7-Eleven run or a convenience store run and just gonna see how it goes. Pretty nice, quiet so far. Clean as fuck, my boy. I feel like I should hire a voice actor for this, but you know, it's not really personable like that. So you already know your boy's gonna be doing some voiceover. So let me give you a little rundown on convenience stores in Japan. You know, convenience stores known as konbinis in Japan have become an integral part of Japanese culture and lifestyle. With over 50,000 stores across the country, konbinis have transformed into an essential daily hub for the Japanese people. From basic necessities to quick snacks and meals, konbinis usually offer a variety of products that cater to the needs of their customers. When you're having a strong drink, just salty ass snacks. So over here, I was basically picking out what type of sandwiches I should be trying first. You see, I can't eat non-halal meat, so we usually opted out for tuna or the egg salad. There's tuna sandwich here. They don't even overkill it with mayo. The convenience, the accessibility, and quality of service provided by konbinis have made them an essential part of Japanese life, and their popularity shows no sign of slowing down. Mochi. It's ice cream plus cake and plus mochi. It's a triple wombo combo. It's pretty cool.
I got a big cock MC license たかがラされどマイクチェックワンツーまだまだ続くこれがブダスタイルいるでいる秘訣知ってる ain't hard to tell tell 坊主とち聞く
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, vlog. We're on the We're on the Shinkansen right now, on our way to Kyoto. Actually, we're on the bullet train, and we got the bento boxes going down for us. What's this? We got this. Oh, here goes nothing. Good? I'm good. Pretty good. Very fishy. Let's go. Fishy. After arriving at Kyoto Station, I took a local train to Nara Park, a world-famous destination known for its free-roaming deer population. The train ride itself was scenic and passing through by mountain and picturesque landscapes.
Day to go to Nara. It's raining like crazy, but here we are. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Got some deers on here.
Upon arriving to Nara Station, I followed the signs to the park, and it was about like a 5-minute walk, and was immediately greeted by a friendly deer. It was actually quite surreal experience being surrounded by them and getting to feed them one by one, and I couldn't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to actually interact with such beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. Yo, low-key, if you don't give them treats, they go for your balls. Or maybe it was just me, I don't know. But yeah, it was a mad fun experience.
I did, bro. I'm done, bro. Let's go. Hi, dozo onegaishimasu. The cookie. I don't know. There's no more cookie. There's no more cookie. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I don't. Oh my goodness.
After spending some time with the friendly deers at Nara Park, we decided to continue our journey and head over to the stunning Todaiji Temple. The grand architecture of this ancient temple left me in awe. It was like stepping into a scene straight from Sekiro. After taking in the beautiful architecture and the vastness of this castle, we made our way over to the local streets of Nara and tried a bunch of different street foods. Tried their infamous mochi over there. That shit was absolutely banging.
Shit, what was it? Itadakimasu. Oh, shit. We need like 3 more. Oh my. Yo, come over here.
After trying the delicious mochi, we decided to just head down the market aimlessly and just interact with locals, talk, laugh, you know, try different street foods and whatnot, and just had a good old jolly time. Well, this wraps up for the first very vlog in Japan for this series. If you guys did enjoy, give it a like, comment, rate, subscribe. Stay subscribed to get notifications on when the next episode drops.
Yes!